it's Ursity. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I thought it would be fun if we made some healthy summertime sweet treats, because I know that I am the queen of not only sweets but also sweating, and I live in Florida. So I figured we would make a couple things that are protein packed and better for you than eating the tubs of ice cream that I do have in my freezer that you're gonna see when we put this stuff in there. So don't judge, okay? So we're gonna be making two desserts today. Both of them are gonna be nice and healthy, nice and refreshing, and very like summery. I mean, one of them is Popsicle, so nothing says summertime more than a good popsicle. And it should be exciting because I did not test run these recipes before I made this video. Woo! So this could be an utter failure, but also I think they're gonna turn out really delicious. So before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so the first recipe that we're going to be making is going to be a protein-packed Orange Julius bark. You know how like Christmas time, everybody makes the little barks? We're going to make one, but it's going to be summertime, sunshine, Florida-fied fun. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need some vanilla protein powder. This is the only vanilla flavor I had. It's Whey Protein by Women's Best. You're going to need a blender or a blender bottle. I'm just using the blender bottle because the thought of trying to wash my blender after this video, yeah. You're going to need a little agave nectar, a little orange juice, some Greek yogurt, a pan and some parchment paper for in that pan, a mixing bowl and a spoon, and you know what? I forgot something. One moment. It's okay. And some vanilla extract. So this recipe is super easy. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get some Greek yogurt, mix it with just a little agave to sweeten it up, and some vanilla. I just have plain fat-free Greek yogurt, so that's why we're using that. You could use a flavored one if you want, and then you wouldn't have to like sweeten it. Okay, so now we have our Greek yogurt, our vanilla, and our agave all mixed up in a bowl together. Maybe like half a cup of Greek yogurt, maybe a tablespoon and a half of agave, depends on how sweet you like your stuff, and then, you know, just like a little dash of vanilla extract. Okay, so now that we have that mixed up, we're going to take our protein powder and our orange juice. And like, we don't really go through orange juice in my house, so I just got this cute little single guy here. Alright, so we got that. Take a scoop of protein powder. It smells really good. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little baking pan or tin or whatever you want to use, put a piece of parchment paper into it, and then you're just going to start spooning some of the Greek yogurt onto that. And you do want to kind of like flatten it out a little bit, but you know, you definitely want your bark to be a little thick too. Okay, so once you have your Greek yogurt all down, you're going to take a spoon and you're kind of just going to cut like little like divots into the yogurt, and then in these little divots, hopefully, is where our Orange Julius kind of shape is gonna hopefully flow right into. We'll see. Okay, then we're gonna take and pour our juice in there. Truth be told, I may have made a little too much of this. That's fine. Okay, and then this bad boy is done. So now all you need to do is pop this guy in the freezer for probably like 5 or so hours. We'll see. Whenever I get back home, that's when we're gonna take him out. If you thought the last recipe was easy, I have an even easier one this time. This one is only 3 ingredients and we're gonna be making pink drink popsicles. So I'm sure you've been to Starbucks and you've seen the pink drink before, but we're gonna make a lower calorie version and it's gonna be delicious and refreshing when it's all done. So the only ingredients you need for this are coconut milk, diet cranberry juice of some sort. I did cran raspberry because I thought that would be really yummy. Trusty blender bottle again, and some pomegranate seeds. And I would actually recommend just using frozen pomegranate seeds because they're cheaper, but Sprouts didn't have any. That's okay. So we're just gonna use fresh. For this, all we're gonna do is take our diet cranberry juice, fill it up a little bit, and then however much you filled it, you're basically just gonna take equal amount of coconut milk. Smells delish. And now all we do is pour it on in our little popsicle mold. I got this from IKEA. I have it linked in my IKEA haul video if you like it and you want one. Some of them I put the pomegranate seeds in before I poured it, and some I just did it whenever I felt like it. All right, and just like that, all you do is pop the stick lid things in and pop it in the freezer. And it's easy as that. And if you have more of this left, you have an easy pink drink. Okay, so there we go. 2 super quick, healthy, and sweet summery dessert ideas for you. These are so easy, and like my favorite part is minimal dishes. Anything with minimal dishes, I'm a fan of. Hopefully you get to try these out for yourself. I hope you like them. If you do try them, make sure to let me know. Hello friends, it's sometime much later. So it's time to try these desserts. They're definitely frozen. Okay, so we're just gonna attempt to cut this one. Oh, I might have made the Greek yogurt too thick there. Okay, so this is our healthy, protein-packed orange Dreamsicle Orange Julius bark. That's good. It's so cold. Okay. Now let's pray this popsicle comes out nicely. Oh my gosh, it actually slid out. I honestly didn't expect that. So this is our super low sugar pink drink popsicle. Doesn't it look pretty? It looks like a pink drink. And honestly guys, you need to make this because it smells so flippin' delicious. It's very refreshing. Woman! Ven aquí. Is that right?
Why?
You don't want to taste my dessert? She's being lazy right now.
I think my tooth fell off. Just kidding.
And I think I just became single.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's popsicle.
But is it good?
What do you think? Is it delicious?
What is it?
Okay. This one, no, it's already cut. Just put the knife down. This one is like orange dreamsicle bark. Take a bite.
I don't know what about it.
Alright guys, thanks for coming back to my kitchen. Hopefully you can try these healthy, sweet treats. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.